Let us understand what is linear equation. What is this?
This is an alphabet A. What is this? This is the number 7.
Yes, in terms of linear variable, alphabet A or any alphabet is called as a variable. And the number 7 is called as constant. Now let us take 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the first box, let us take 4 apples. In the second box, let us take 3 apples. As the weight of 4 apples is greater than weight of 3 apples, the 4 apples box is in downside. In the first box there are 4 apples, and in second box there are 3 apples. 4 is not equal to 3, so this condition is linear inequality. To balance this inequality condition, we have to remove some apples from the heavier side, that is from the first box. How many apples do we need to remove from the first box to balance the seesaw?
We have to remove 1 apple, because in the first box there are 4 apples, and in the second box there are 3 apples. So to balance this condition, we have to remove 1 apple from the first box.
Correct. Now the 2 boxes have equal number of apples, that is 3 apples. We call this condition as linear equation, and we denote this condition as equal to symbol. Now let us take one simple example, and we will frame one equation using this example. Now let us take one simple example, and we will frame one equation using this example. Now, let us take 8 apples. In the first box, let us take 5 apples. And in the second box, let us take 3 apples. Now in this case also, the first box is the heavier box, which contain 5 apples, and the second box is the lighter box contains 3 apples. So to balance this seesaw, how many apples do we need to take out from the first box?
We need to take 2 apples from the first box, so that the seesaw is balanced.
Now the same scenario, let us understand with an equation. X plus 3 is equal to 5. In this equation, 5 is the number of apples in the first box before balancing, and 3 is the number of apples in the second box. The variable x is the number of apples that we need to take out to balance the seesaw. The variable x is the number of apples that we need to take out to balance the seesaw. Now in this equation, when plus symbol transpose to other side, plus symbol changes to minus, and transpose 3 to other side. So the equation is x is equal to 5 minus 3. And the value of x is equal to 2. So, the number of apples that we need to take out to balance the seesaw is 2. Linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is always 1. It is also known as one-degree equation. Linear equation is in form of y is equal to m x plus b